What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can use DeFi wallet of crypto.com. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, first of all, you need to download the crypto wallet. For that, you can always go to crypto.com and then simply go to their website, which should be the crypto.com. In the crypto.com, you can download the app on phone for your mobile phone as well. However, you can download the extension for your computer as well. Now, after having the extension, you will be able to see it looking something like that. So I'm just going to go to Google and then I'm just going to open up my crypto.com extension. Now here you just have to click on this create new wallet and then select the password you want to set it for. So I'm just going to quickly set a password right now. Now after setting the password, as you can see, the password did not match. Let me just, there you go. Now I'm just going to click on proceed. They will give me some sort of keys which you need to. So I'm just going to click on got it and there you go. That's how your wallet is created. Once you have that, you can always use this to send, receive, swap, or buy cryptos. If you want to send it, just tap on send and you'll be able to send it to someone else. You'll be able to receive it by having the wallet address. You will be able to swap your cryptocurrencies, whatever that you have with other cryptocurrencies, and you can always buy by connecting your like crypto.com account. If you want to buy Bitcoin, select Bitcoin, select the payment method, and you'll be able to make payment for that. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.